We made it to what I believe is campsite 3. There was no label, but it was the one directly after the group site, so that's where we're calling home for tonight. It only took us about an hour and 15 minutes to walk in, so obviously not that challenging, of course. Jesse's hammock setup is over here. They actually have, unfortunately, 2 giant nails plugged into the trees, but I'm going to use them. There is Jesse's hammock. He has a war bonnet hammock in there. And then this is a, housefly tarp, which can be closed up the doors. There's your pack. And the water that we got from the stream. That's maybe like a 2-minute walk from this place. Not even 2 minutes. Bowls. There is the tent Jonah and I are going to stay in tonight. But it's a little site and it is directly off of the trail, because the trail's right over there. And Jesse and Jonah don't need to be on camera, so I'm not going to put them on, but there's Luna helping to break sticks for the fire. Alright, we have a couple more camp chores to do. Checking in later.